So this is the topic, event in JavaScript. So what is an event in JavaScript? So JavaScript interaction with HTML is handled through event that occur when the user or browser manipulates a page. When a page loads, it is called an event. So simply the interaction of JavaScript and HTML. Like we are taking a HTML form and we entered their name, first name, last name, Gmail ID. So different in area, uh, different input area we taken through the HTML, but we need to validate that the entered first name is right or wrong. So this validation is done by JavaScript with the help of event. Like we are after submit the we are fill all the areas, we submit the form. So after submit the validation, like it is the name is correct or not, first name, last name. Like first name, last name, in first name contain a string, but by mistake user input a number with a string, so it is a wrong because no use number in a names. So it is validate to JavaScript events. So now this is the example of event. How to work an event: the user click the mouse over a certain event or hovering the cursor over the certain event. So we like we click on a button, so they change the color of button, change of their background. So this is the clicking event. So now the second is the user pressing a key on keyboard. So we are like press a key like enter, so we reach on the next page sometimes in websites. Third one is the user resize at closing the browser windows. Resizing means here like different website are adjust their according to system, like where website run on mobile, so adjust to according to mobile screen and laptop screen. So this is the resizing event. A web page finishing a loading. Sometime we when a web page is loading, so show their icon on the mid on the page. The page is loading. After that, finish the loading. Finish the there is icon and a form being submitted. So we already discussed on a form is submitted. This is the event. A video being played, post, finished, play. This is all the event in a video and a event error occurring. So this is the events, and we discuss on the different event here. Here this is the different type of events, like mouse event, key event, Windows event, focus event. In this mouse event, different work on mouse. Key event, when we press a key, so how to work event. Windows event like resizing, scroll, unload, load. And the focus event, like we are selecting a text area and change the background, the text area background, change the color. So we will see the three event in this video: on click, on double click, on right click. So you will see the three events in this video. Here we will see the example of on click button. Sorry, on click. So here I taken a button. Button. I taken a button tag. In this button tag, I will put a on click. Like I take on a function, one function, I call this function and click me. In this script tag I take a function fun it document dot write. So this is on click example. So I will save this program and run this. When I click this button, so this is the on click example. Here I take an on double click tbl click. So I have already taken the function fun function. Save this program. That time I click on a only click. So first time I click there is no got the result. After I press two times because we are using double click event. So I will get the example. This is one click example. And now I'm working on right click on text on context menu. This is working for right click. This is the right click. I write here right click example. I save this and run this. So I click first time, two times it is not working, and I click right click. So this is the right click example. So it is about the event. So thanks for watching.